Everyone, we had a cold start to the day. Temperatures dipping down into the 40s this morning. And right now, we're still in the 50s across the valley. 55 degrees right now in Weslaco, 58 in McAllen, also in Rio Grande City, and 50 at South Padre Island. Let's take a look at future track temperatures, and we expect those temperatures to stay in the 60s through this afternoon. And it looks like by 10 p.m., those temperatures back into the 50s. We'll see some 40s in parts of the upper valley. Stark County may be reaching 49 degrees, and then we'll see those temperatures around 50 degrees for much of the valley. I think we're actually forecasting temperatures a little bit cooler than what this NAM model is showing. It's because there is a southeasterly flow coming in through the overnight hours, and that's going to warm us up for tomorrow afternoon. We expect those temperatures back in the 70s, mid and upper 70s across the region. And then by Tuesday morning, another cold front comes through. It cools us down. I don't know if you saw that, but temperatures were in the 40s. That one went by kind of quick there. But right now, winds are out of the north. They haven't shifted yet. I think that's going to happen after midnight. Right now, those wind speeds are already calming down anywhere between 8 and 12 miles per hour across the region, still registering a gust of 18 miles per hour in Port Isabel. And the winds will stay right about where we are right now through much of the day. Slight increase during the evening hours, but then notice how they drop off overnight, allowing for some radiational cooling to take effect, and we will see those temperatures slightly cooler than what we saw this morning for tomorrow morning. But then as we take a look at future track, that cold front that came through yesterday already making its way through much of the Gulf of Mexico. We're still cool and dry here in the valley. Notice some cloud cover coming in on Tuesday. We also see the southeasterly flow coming in. That's going to warm us up a little bit. Looks like sunny skies through the afternoon on Tuesday, and then into Wednesday morning we start to see clearing conditions as another cold front comes through the valley, and that's going to cool us back down. We'll see those temperatures kind of roller coastering up and down over the next couple of days. So here's a look at what the temperatures look like. Our average temperature right now, high temperature, should be around 72 degrees. We're expecting 64 for today, and that may be a little warm for some areas. We might actually stay in the lower 60s over much of the region. And as we take a look at Tuesday, we're back in the mid and upper 70s in the valley. 76 degrees your high temperature on Tuesday, 66 on Wednesday. So yeah, there's that roller coaster coming up and then going back down. That's for the next 3 days at least. And right now, dew points are around 31 degrees, so it's very dry out there. And here's what we can expect at least for the next 6 days as far as the humidity goes. We're going to see an upward trend as we get that southeasterly flow, more humidity coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. So it's going to be nice and humid tomorrow afternoon. But then the cold front comes through, dries out again for Wednesday, and then another subtle increase in the humidity through the latter part of the week. For Friday, we are seeing very humid conditions with dew points back in the mid 60s. Then it cools down again for Saturday, and it dries out as well. Here's a look at your rain chances. With the humidity low over the next few days, a 0% chance of rain all the way through Friday, only about a 20% chance along the next cold front that we're expecting on Saturday. We could see a spotty shower, maybe a thunderstorm in parts of the valley. Here's a look at your marine forecast. The winds still out of the north, shifting to the east later on at 10 to 20 knots. It's still very rough out there. Small craft advisory in effect. High tide is at 5:46 p.m. this afternoon. 64 is your forecast high for today. Breezy morning, and I think that breeze will die down later on. And we're looking at mostly sunny conditions for the rest of this afternoon. Mostly clear for tonight. It's going to be chilly with temperatures in the upper 40s, maybe mid 40s in some parts like Stark County. As we take a look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, we're in the 60s today, 70s tomorrow, back into the 60s on Wednesday, maybe Thursday, and then temperatures continue to increase for Friday and Saturday. Partly sunny skies. Start to see more cloud cover for the weekend, and then a spotty shower is possible along the next cold front. Temperatures do go back down to the 50s for Sunday morning, and it's nice on Sunday with temperatures in the lower 70s. And that is a complete look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.